the Vitamix. Everyone knows about this blender, and you know, it's right. It is what they claim about it is this the best blender around. You know, this blender can do amazing things. It can turn fruits and vegetables into liquid. You can take kale and turn it into liquid rather than a grainy mess like other blenders make. Another feature about it is that you can make ice cream with it, not slushy but real ice cream. Just blend some ice with fruits, put some ice and fruit in it and blend it, and you'll have real ice cream without any dairy products. This thing is a godsend to vegans. Every vegan should have one of these. It will allow them to make their meals, full complete meals, in one smoothie. Add everything they need in one smoothie, and it's really, the cleaning is really easy on it. You just put some water and voila, it cleans. No soap necessary. You blend the water a bit and throw it out and cleans it. The thing, one of the best things about it is its soup making ability. Yeah, that's right. It can heat up the blend inside of it, so you can make soup right in the machine, right in the blender, which is an amazing convenient feature for everyone. Quick meal on the go. You can blend the bricks with this thing. It's so powerful. So who doesn't want that power in their kitchen? This is one of those things, a bit expensive, but you know, the time saving and the features it provides you is well worth the money.